How to change YouTube language on mobile. So what we can simply do is we will open our YouTube here, and after opening our YouTube, we can simply go in our settings, I mean our profile, and after going in our profile we will get to see a settings option right there, and we can simply click on the settings option, and after that we can see a lot of option there, but there is no option to like change any language or anything. So we will open our settings, and here we can like simply search for our uh, language option. Here I'm searching for it. If you're not able to find it in our settings option, what you can simply do is you can go back and you can simply search it in your search bar. Here I'm searching for language, and here as you can see that there's a language option here. We can simply click on add language, and after adding that language we will be simply we have to simply enable that particular language that we want, and after that we will be able to change our YouTube language by changing the language of our whole phone settings options.